I don't want to play around with this. I am out here to make money, and that is it. I just want to come to you guys today and let you know that I have been working, and I hadn't forgot about the YouTube channel. But after that, it's processes. Man, letting go of the business that I've created is tough. And I have my wife doing the back office work, and it's hard trying to communicate and let go. For someone like myself who likes to hold on and have total control, the only way I'm going to grow is to let go. But it's very hard letting go. I'm used to doing things one way. I've done this for almost 3 years now, and it's tough not talking to the customer, because I can get a feel for what's going on with the appliance better than my wife can. I can get a feel of the customer and how I need to interact with the customer better than my wife can. And now that I know that, I know I'm going to have to put certain things in place. Like today, I had to tell her, hey, do not book anyone else unless they can provide you with the model number and the serial number in a photo. I know this might not be the business model for everyone, but for me, I need to see how old the appliance is if I'm dealing with warranty. I had an LG refrigerator that was brand new. She might have bought it from like scratch and dent. On a warranty call, we're the secondary warranty, not the primary. So this LG was still under warranty. So I need that model number and serial number so that I can do my due diligence before I go out there and just, get our seal systems guy out there to replace the compressor. I need to back up, because I would have been doing work that I might not be paid for. So a lot of times we need to just go ahead and say, all right, I know that I'm going to have to make some concessions in this business, but I can't give up the core of what I need. And I need that model number and the serial number. I need her not to set appointments, because I don't want to be going out there blind. I don't want to be going out to customers' houses without any of the potential parts. I order parts beforehand. Before I get to your doorstep, I want to have at least 2 to 3 of the potential problem parts so that I can have a first call complete, or increase my chances of having a first call complete. I don't want to play around with this. I am out here to make money, and that is it. We're not here to be friends. We're not here to be social, and I'm guilty of all of these things. I like to talk to customers. I like to build relationships with customers, but at a certain point, when you have so many calls, you need to be focused on the bottom line. The bottom line is profitability. And a lot of times we might get misled, or we might start thinking otherwise. Snap back. It is the money. And I had to tell my wife that today. And she was very receptive after I broke it down to her and told her, hey, you're a part of this company also. We're here to be profitable. Bottom line, nothing else. I need this, and this. After that, how you book them and whatnot, that's fine. But don't book anyone until you provide me with the essentials that I need to move forward and be successful on this call. And a lot of times when you're starting out adding on people, you don't know what to tell them. You don't know how to do it. If you haven't done this before, a lot of times you don't know where to start. And that was I've told her different things, but today it was like one of those moments, hey, I need this, and this. So hopefully, it might not be the exact same thing that I'm saying I need, but hopefully you hearing this, and when you start to form out some of your business processes, this will hit you and help you to better allocate things for yourself and for your business. Guys, I'm not going to hold you long. This is LP with S&W Service and Repair. If you need any help, hit the link below. You can email me. Also, you can always comment below the videos. Hey, like and subscribe if this information is helping you.